back to my channel. This is Ashanae here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thanks for clicking this video. Today we're going to be doing show you guys my go-to makeup look. When I say go-to, I mean like say if somebody hit me up last minute like, oh, you want to go out, or do you want to, you know, go to the movies, or do you want to etc., go to the city, etc., etc. So this is my go-to look. Like, this is my look that I know what I gotta do, I know how I'm gonna do it, and I don't have time to do anything else extra if I want it to be extra. But before we get into this video, I'm gonna talk about this hoodie. If you like hoodies like this, they come in like different colors, you know, gray, black, and I just love this pink. This pink is just giving me life or whatever. I will have everything in the description box if you want to purchase you a hoodie. It is a crop hoodie. I love crop hoodies. Y'all know me. I'm the I am the crop top queen. So, yeah. But we're going to get into this video. I already did my eyebrows. If you want an eyebrows routine, I will definitely link it down below. Okay, first I'm going to prime with the mattifying balm. Then I'm going to take my wet beauty blender and just, you know, put that in there. This is my go-to, my e.l.f. of Prep and Blur stick to get rid of these pores. So now, when I'm in a rush, like, I will do my face first, meaning I'm doing my foundation first. So I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Female. Of course, I'm not gonna use anything new. This is not gonna be a time where I try new foundations out or new concealers. I'm gonna use my go-to products that I know is gonna work for me at that point in time. The Makeup Revolution concealer. This has been my go-to. Like, I have a lot of go-to concealers depending on the day, depending on the time, and depending on how long I'm going to have it on. But this is something new, but I've reviewed it and used it multiple times, so I know what it is. And also, if I do have time for eyeshadow, or if I don't have time for eyeshadow, I still prime my eyes. Well, I wouldn't, I still prime. I put the foundation over my eyes and the concealer, and then once I'm about to set everything, then I just set it just in case I do have time for eyeshadow. So I will be more prepared if anything. And then we're going to use my favorite, the Maybelline Fit Me in 30 medium. I'm going to contour, and I'm going to use my favorite handy dandy black Radiance contour palette. If you're oily, you can use this because this is the Urban Decay makeup setting spray for oil control. I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Golden Flower Crown. I just got this highlighter. When I tell y'all, this highlighter is big. Let me tell y'all. First, I have this new trick I do, but yeah, I just go in with this fan brush. I'm pretty sure y'all seen this fan brush throughout my whole YouTube career. Time for eyes, so I'm gonna go in with the Glam reflection palette, and I'm gonna just see what colors. Alright, I would not go in with anything crazy, meaning we're not gonna touch no pinks, we're not gonna touch no purples, we're not gonna touch no yellows, even though I did a yellow look on this palette. I will link that down below. But we are gonna just go with the browns and the golds. You can't go wrong with browns and golds. Believe me when I tell you. So we're going to use these two colors right here as transition colors. take any flat brush. When I mean any flat brush, like it doesn't have to be serious, even if it has shimmer on it already, like, because we ain't got time to be looking for no clean brushes. So I'm gonna just go in with this shade. I don't know, is it this one? I think I'm gonna go in with this shade up here, and then we're gonna just pack that on the lid. We're not doing no crease, no cut creasing. We're not doing no extra stuff. We are going to just pack this on the lid. With the transition shades, you can always like just smoke this out a little bit. I mean, that's up to you, but I like to smoke it out a little bit, you know, add a little bit more spice or whatever. But you gotta do this quick. I mean, it depends on the intensity of when you gotta be out the house. So that's why I ask people, give me a time so I know what I could do in that amount of time. Go back to highlight. Since your eyes are done, you got like a little couple of minutes or whatever, and I'm gonna just go in with the It's My Rary 4 brush to intensify my highlight more and just pack that on top. Ooh, that looks so much better. So, I already got my lashes out. These are the Kiss Blowout Lashes in Pixie. So now I'm gonna just basically I don't basically do, when I'm doing like I'm on the go type of look, I don't do lipstick, so I just use my e.l.f. clear gloss. This gloss is lit. Like this gloss is super moisturizing. That's number one. It's not sticky, and it's only $2. I gotta go back to L and get me some more. I gotta get like 5 of them. I gotta get my best friend one. Every time I go, I'm gonna get her one. She don't know how to keep her lip glosses. Like this right here makes a total difference. Like it's just Lord. I thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you for getting ready with me in 10 minutes. Full glam. I think this is full glam, just without lipstick or any. This lip gloss does it too. This highlight is lit. This is the Wet n Wild Golden Flower Crown. $5. I found this in Family Dollar. Stop playing with me. Anyway, if you're interested in copping one of these hoodies are warm. Like, let me just tell you, they just have like the inside, you know, if you ever bought an H&M sweater and they had the little fleece inside. So these hoodies are not just some cheap hoodies. I love the hood part. Is not like flimsy. I love nice crispy hoodies like this. So definitely cop you one. I will leave everything in the description box. Everything you need, the Instagrams, the links will be in the description box. I love supporting black businesses, so don't forget to click the link in the description box. If you want a custom wig, I will link on my best friend information as well. Everything I have on my face will be linked in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget, if you decide to recreate this video, not recreate it, but recreate this look, definitely hashtag me, AshanaeM. Ashanae, capital M. Yeah. So I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Laters.